break, you just talk.
Yeah, or he can't afford them and he lets them go back and he's got horrible credit. Alright guys, this is the Patio 2, freshly refurbished and ready to roll. You can put this in your backyard whenever you are ready. Just got a little test grill right here just to show you the effectiveness of the Thermal Engineering Corporation technology and the infrared cooking. So just sit back here and enjoy yourself. And don't worry, a lot of this is going to be edited out.
What kind of burgers you got?
Just Angus burgers, 8%.
80% Angus.
8% meat, 20% fat. I might try to sell this to my dad if I can get $800 out of it from him. It's fair.
Yeah, totally. Your dad retired?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Why, unfortunately?
I have to spend all day with him. I mean, I love spending all day with him, but I don't love spending all day with him. It's like, you know, clingy. Where are you going now? I'm going to the bathroom! Where are you going now?
What did he used to do?
Work for the sewer department.
Is that his bike?
Yeah.
Pretty sweet.
Oh shit. I'm a retard, man.
Huh.
I'm throwing burgers on this thing without the spatula. Oh God. We're going to put a little adobo on here. There you go, folks, right here. About a minute into our grilling process. Put a little adobo on here for you. Of course, you cannot taste. Adobo is too good for you. Cannot afford it. Adobo. It's a Cuban seasoning. It's like a mix of different powders. Alright now, so I can appreciate it that this is a slightly used grill that you will be getting right here. But you do know it works for sure as I'm cooking with it in my home. Just as a show of trust so you know that you are getting a working product. You can see right here at the bottom that the burners are working very well and efficiently. I hope you do enjoy this grill when you do get it.
Show them the date. Today is Monday, June 25th. Can you see that on there?
Sort of.
Yeah. Maybe not.
Well, it is the 25th.
It is the 25th. Just in time for grilling season.
Oh yeah. Giggity gig. Oh yeah. So I want to just shut this for a little bit and get our temperature up. And as a bonus, as a bonus, you'll be receiving this very handy thermo unit installed somewhere conveniently, so you can check the temperature of your cooking process without lifting the lid. So that'll be a freebie for you right there.